Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, we have, hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have Prime big deal days going on. Prime Day deals, Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals, all in one. Definitely check them out. Take advantage now of the sales, and you can get one of these. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And here it is. What is this? Oh, coming from my friends over at Redragon. Wow, this is some new packaging. This is AZZ Ion. Oh, I have no idea if I pronounced that right. Oh, this is pretty cool. Definitely excited for this one. Let me see how I can open it. There we go. We got it. So I'm probably going to use this one as my main mouse. Oh, there's everywhere. And you can reuse this for like other computer accessories, or it's pretty cool. Definitely. Everything comes out. Bada boom, bada bing. And of course, you get the stickers. You get the manual. I think this is. I open it. There we go. What are you inside? Some kind of replacement. Clamps. Interesting. Okay. Here is the main thing. Really nice. Here's the buttons. All your presets. Oh yeah. Definitely happy with this one, guys. The other mouse in my room is dying or something. It's just been acting strange, so I'm definitely thankful for you guys sending me this one. And we got right there, mode switch. I think this is like some kind of sticky tape right here. You gotta peel off. Ooh. Non-slip cards. There's one at the bottom. There we go. Ooh. So definitely check them out. Redragon has a lot of cool things for esports, for all your gaming PC needs. Get them now, because I think 2026 things are going to go crazy in the computer world. Prices might go up a little bit more. So these would be great stocking stuffers to get now. Stock up a couple, at least 2 or 3 maybe. Back up. And then we're going on to computer. Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Really cool. And we got football on tonight. And, yep. It does feel good, too. I'm liking this. Yeah, these are like the presets you can customize. You can download it on the website, redragon.com. There's going to be a drivers to install. So let me pull that up really quick. But definitely check these guys out. Like I said, they got a lot of cool things. Hold on one second. Here we go. It's as on the... I think I butchered it. Ass into... I have no idea. But it is M921. And you can go down here. You got everything you can join. Where is the software? We need the software. So, oh, that's a really good deal. They got $29.99. Shoot. There it is. Software download. Bada boom, bada bing. Pixie art, everything we need. Yeah, see, that's going to tell you how to do it. Software download right here, right there. Oh, drivers and downloads right there. Download for Windows right here. Redragon is okay. It is a trustworthy site, so if that thing pops up, it gives like a warning. It says that, but it is safe to click, so trust me on that one. Just allow it. Open. Keep. Keep anyway. Come on now. There we go. It's going to ask you a few questions like, are you sure? And like I said, this is no viruses on your computer. Redragon's a really dependable company. Like I said, they got a lot of esports stuff, and they ain't going to jeopardize that for something foolish. Ooh, here we go. The as. Left click, right click, middle button, fire rapid. And you could do, where's the colors? Probably change colors. Reset all. There's a light. There we go. So you can make it green, blue. Of course. Whoa. Look at that. See? And you can always calibrate your mouse for any of your gaming needs that you need. Grand Theft Auto 6 is coming out in 2026, so we got to delay it again. Of course. I could do breathing. Oh, baby. Do a little flashy. Flashy. Bam. So yeah, really cool, guys. Like I said, download software. Easy peasy setup. Really nice mouse. It has a nice firm feel to it. I mean, I don't have that big of hands. Cover's pretty good. Maybe back it up a little. Nice little mousy. But yeah, easy glide. Really slick design. Super. Alright, be safe. Take it easy.